Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fifth puzzle, the final puzzle of the additional in 2 days of today's newspaper of Wednesday, September the 2nd, 2020. The fifth puzzle is a tectonic one, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese, and this one will be number 1, 4, 5, 4. Alright, so let's get started. The first question, can we see here? Can we find the single box? I see here the single box, so single box is always 1. I see also a dual box. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. I see here 1, so this cannot be a 1. This box should be the 1 and this should be a 2. Do we have more dual boxes? Yes. I see here a dual box. So the dual box is the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. This is also a dual box, the 1 and the 2 and the 1 and the 2. We have here 2 missing numbers in this quadra box. The 2 and the 4. I cannot place the 4 here because we have a 4 here. So the 4 goes there and the 2 goes here. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here or could be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. I cannot place the 2 there, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 goes here and the 3 goes here. Now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2 and this should be a 1. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1, 2, the 3 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then, these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes together with the 5 as a pair. The other 2 boxes, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1, this should be the 1, and this should be a 4. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 here. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be a 3. This box cannot be a 3, that box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. That means 1 box left for the 5. I cannot place a 2 here because I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So no 2 in this box. This box cannot be a 2. We have a 2 there, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then this box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark them. these 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark them, 3 and 4. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so 2 boxes left for the 5s. Could be here, could be there. That means I have also marked 2 boxes with the 5. I cannot place the 5 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 5 definitely must be in this box. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 3, that box cannot be a 3, so 2 boxes left for the 3, could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 1 and the 2 are left, let me mark them. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. These 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. Oh, we have a 3 there, so only 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, that box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 1 and the 4 are left, we have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 2. If it's a 2, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 2. This box should be a 4. It cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yeah, it's a 4. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here. 2 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. That means that these 3 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Yeah, the 4 could be everywhere. Alright. We have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 3 and the 4 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 3, and this should be a 4. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Let me see. This box cannot be a 1 or 2, because I need a 1 and a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5, so it should be a 4. 1 digit left, a 4. This box should be a 2, because it cannot be a 1, should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, it's a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be a 2. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2, and this should be a 1. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.